Hey everybody, I wanted to say I hope you're having a great Sunday and you have a wonderful week coming up. We're preparing on the Facebook group on Art Healing Hearts auctions for the Spring Fling art show presented by the Core group, and I have created 10 pieces that are Easter inspired, and so embracing Easter as far as a Christian and the things and the values that it means to you, or it can strictly be Easter as far as a celebration of just fun and a holiday and time that you spend with your family, with children, and hunting Easter eggs and eating candy and fun things like that, and a wonderful Easter dinner. So whatever that experience is for you, I just hope that what I present to you is what encourages you and blesses you in whatever means that is necessary for you. So I wanted to share my collection with you of the 10 pieces that will be in the show. And my show day, even though the auction starts on Friday, March 31st, definitely come join us and check out all the beautiful, beautiful artwork that the other artists have created, which are fantastic. I would love for you to come on Sunday, April 2nd, and join me for my show. And it starts at noon Eastern Standard Time. So I just wanted to give you a really quick preview of the items that I will have for the show. So first up is, this is something I really just am in love with. It turned out way better than I ever dreamed. Let me just show you the back of it before I even show you the front. This is the back side. Isn't that beautiful? But here's the front, which I think is even spectacular, more spectacular. This is a 13-inch resin tray, just filled with bold splashes of color and little crystal knobs on it. 13-inch. This is Rainbow Explosion. This is one of the items that will be in the show. And then I went back in and had to do it again, and I wanted to create a bowl. So here is the bowl, same 13-inch, but then it's, a little bit smaller once it's created into a bowl form. But super pretty on the back. But here's the inside and the three-dimensional feel, and beautiful colored crushed shells around the edges. That's the bowl, and it will come with 2 coasters that go with it, heat resistant to 500 degrees. So this is a set. This is a 9x12 called Rebirth. This is just springtime, inspired by tulips and a beautiful monarch butterfly. And someone mentioned that butterflies are actually not around in the spring. So I like butterflies and flowers anyway. So they're put together, even if they're not naturally in nature at that time of the year. So a monarch and kind of like hot pink tulips, 9x12, painted edges in case you don't want to frame it. This one is an 11x14 oval canvas, gold, metallic gold edges, and it is called Resin. Multicolors, and there are little hints of metallic gold, and I'm not sure, it's a rainy day, so I'm not sure it captures, but there's little hints of metallic gold, and this is written in metallic gold. It's the scripture, and He is risen is on there in metallic gold writing. So that is 11x14 oval. Here is another 11x14 oval, gold edges again. And I love to do complementary colors, thus the yellow juxtaposed against the purple shading, and just kind of a natural wood looking cross. So it's calla lilies. I actually have yellow calla lilies in my yard that will be blooming probably in the next month, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. So this is one of my paintings there. This little sweetie is called Bunny, and it's a happy bunny with a little pink rose floral crown, and just supposed to be a fun Easter happy feeling painting. Who doesn't love a cute bunny, right? Also would be great for a child in their children's room. Another one that's just a little bit more whimsical. This one is a 9x12 canvas panel, so you could prop it on a shelf or you could pop it into a frame if you want to. And again, it's acrylics and little bee or fly flying around with flowers. So this is the little white bunny rabbit, Easter bunny. I don't typically paint gnomes, but I was looking at different inspirations and I thought, oh, that would be so cute to do an Easter gnome. So here is an Easter bunny gnome with the ears. Had to throw in a little butterfly there, holding an Easter egg. Happy Easter. So this one is a 9x12 on acrylic canvas, and I've got it attached to a board so you can pop it into a frame, prop it on a shelf if you want to. So that is Easter gnome. This piece is what I call Transcendence, and it is a 12-inch piece on Nara paper, which is a synthetic paper. It was initially done with alcohol inks that I did a while back, and then I kind of decided to rework it a bit. These were deep red, and I wanted to make them more of a traditional but not traditional, because this is not realistic. It's, you know, more of an abstract whimsical style of a lotus, but they're more of a pinky magenta lotus type flowers with a dragonfly, which I just absolutely love dragonflies. And if you can see, there are gold raised areas, all metallic gold. And I've just got it really kind of mounted on a 15-inch kind of stone colored mat board, which it could be totally changed. You could change it out to a different color and frame it if you wanted to, or you could take this 12-inch and circle and put it onto something that's a round piece. You know, so there's many options that you can do with that. But I really love this one. Love the lotus flowers and the meaning of lotus flowers, rebirth and things like that. So, and then the last one, I think this is the last one, is a hexagon canvas, purple with gold shimmer edges, joyful, and it is from straight side to straight side, 13.5 inches. From point to point, it's 15 inches. No need to frame it. It is purple tulips, and yeah, a lot of my flowers are make-believe flowers. They don't have to be any kind of realistic flower. I just love to do anything floral and leaves, and just celebrating the time of Easter and spring, and just the meaning of it, and to be joyful and grateful for everything that we have. And that's what I try to personify through my art. And My middle name is Joy, by the way. So anyway, I had to throw in a joyful painting, and it's got a little bit of a purple wash on the edges too, and there are metallic gold, the little twisty vines, wreath looking part of it has metallic gold shimmer highlights on it. So there is joyful. So those are my 10 pieces that are in the Spring Fling show. Please come join us, come support us. Even if you're there just for moral support, I would love it. I'd love to have you again Sunday, April 2nd. And my fellow artists, there are 6 other artists that are just so tremendously talented, and they have everything from alcohol inks to beautiful, bold abstracts, fluid art with raised embellishments, beautiful hand-created, crafted jewelry. I'm a silversmith. And just really wonderful floral and bird pieces that are done in acrylics by a couple of artists that are just really amazing. So come check it all out. Come join us. I'd love to have you there. Thank you so much. I love you all, and I'll see you later. And have a happy Easter next Sunday. Bye-bye.